Did you know that 1 out of every 3 teens suffers from anxiety? That's right. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, an estimated 31.9% of adolescents have anxiety. And beyond those suffering from anxiety, everyone experiences stress, often on the daily basis. The World Health Organization has even called stress the health epidemic of the 21st century. So what can we do about this? That's where we come in. We are Unwind, an all-female team of high school students, and we're so excited to participate in the Inventors Challenge, sponsored by AT&T Inspire, Imagination.org, and the 2-Bit Circuits Foundation. It all started when our founder's best friend struggled to manage her social anxiety with the added stress of high school. While there were other existing products, none of them gave her the quick and effective way to reduce her anxiety that she needed. We realized that people like her need a way to reduce stress in moments of panic in a portable, discreet, and comfortable way.
In researching this subject, we learned that a key way to reduce stress and anxiety is through deep breathing. According to the American Institute of Stress, deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a state of calmness. Beyond breathing, our original user mentioned that feeling a gentle pulse could help her calm down, which is also backed by research. A study published in Nature found that a slow vibration on the wrist during a stressful situation involving public speaking lowered perceived stress. Using this research, we created our product, Unwind. Unwind is a next-generation stress ball designed for moments when stress or anxiety becomes overwhelming. It is a snug handheld device modeled after a river stone, something that is calming to hold. It has 2 stress-relieving functions: a slow vibration that stimulates a steady heartbeat, and an LED light that brightens and dims at a steady rate to prompt the user to breathe deeply. All the user needs to do is press the product to experience the calming effects of each mode.
Our team has completed several iterations to find the best shape and material for our product. We created our very first prototype with 3D printing. Building on that initial design and success of the stress ball industry, we chose a material that was both malleable and would protect the electronics within it. Thus, transparent silicone. We created our product by pouring in silicone into our own 3D printed mold. We have also done extensive work on the functionality of our electronics. Starting from a simple vibration motor attached to a switch and battery, we've made our way through several Arduino circuits, and finally, towards a custom PCB with a microprocessor that controls the motor and LED. The Arduino code loaded onto the circuit board controls which functions are turned on. When the user presses the button once, the vibration motor turns on. Another push turns the timed LED on. The final push stops the functions. During our journey, we had to problem solve to overcome challenges. For example, one challenge we ran into was that we originally struggled to create a smooth, clear silicone free of bubbles. After researching silicone more, we adapted our manufacturing process to perform the silicone in a vacuum chamber. This allows for a more professional product that does not have bubbles or imperfections.
While our original users were teenagers in our community, we realized that our invention has a much larger potential market and can help people from all walks of life. After presenting our product, people mentioned that they would be interested in having it for their office workplace or in a therapy setting. On a global level, an estimated 284 million people suffer from anxiety, and many more experience stress. This allows for a huge potential market, and so while we are currently focusing on our initial teen users, we believe our product can have a positive impact on many people. We would be honored to have the Inventors Challenge support and truly believe it would enable us to continue to grow Unwind and better help those in our community and beyond that are struggling with stress and anxiety. Thank you for watching and for your consideration.